All right, we are live. What's up, Sharon?
What's up? I'm excited.
So,
This is interesting. Should I
can
make this
you?
a little bigger?
Well, yeah, but can you actually open a new tab and go to OpenClaw site?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So, can you tell us about what this is, in case people don't know? Because this video will be used in our documentation.
Okay. It's basically a personal assistant that you can control from a app on your cell phone, in a nutshell. And it can do very simple things as fetching your emails and helping you with scheduling, but you could also run very advanced workflows. So basically, it's a remote control for your AI agents.
That I would say it's like a pretty good description from like what I was seeing when I was playing with it. What do you do to get it started? What are the steps?
Well, you have to have a place for the brain or the whole system to live. So you can either run it on a local system, can be a laptop, something old. I wouldn't run it on your personal computer. I would separate it and give it its own environment. Can be an old laptop. You can. Many people are buying Mac Minis. That's a more stylish version and probably useful if you want to do really crazy stuff because it just has more RAM, right? It has more RAM. It has more space. It's a little bit more powerful. And yeah, but you can basically run it on a small piece of hardware, or you can do a virtual machine or use a cloud server and run it there. Or what we're going to learn today is how we can run it on machine. So that's going
Yeah,
to be cool.
it's crazy. When I was thinking about it, I just thought about like scalable workflows, right? That could have like scaling where if it needs more, it gets more. If it needs less, it gets less. And I wanted something that was safe and easy. Like, I actually don't want to run a command. That's annoying.
Hmm.
So I didn't want to like run any commands, and I just figured like what's machine good at, and machine's really good at the autonomy part. So we actually figured out a way to use machines backend to create these instances on the fly. And what's
Awesome.
crazy is, let's say you didn't want it operating 24/7,
Hmm.
it could go to sleep. And this is something like if you're in DigitalOcean, does not happen. Like if you're not using it at all, why does it need to be online?
You're right. That's correct.
And if you were to go visit it again and it just magically came online, that seems to be like the best case scenario.
Well, it's also cheaper, right?
Cheaper and generally just better because that means it's getting those updates every time it's turning back on. You're not going to be stuck in an old version of OpenClaw when you forget
Mm.
to run the update.
Mm.
It keeps everything fresh, all the connections fresh, and
Mm.
it allows long-term use. And if you were to telegram it and it was sleeping, it would just wake up.
Man, that's what you just said. Darn it, I forget that, right? You always have to update your stuff. Always. Oh gosh, this is such a beginner noob mistake that I like, just good hygiene. You got to update your projects on a regular. So
And like,
that's cool that helps, that because I really forget these things. I'm
and I
sorry.
don't know about you, but when I tried installing this for the first time, I ran into two crazy issues. One was the whole pairing thingy was so strange. It was like a little
Yeah, it
weird.
was weird.
Where
Yeah, it
yeah,
was weird.
that was the first problem. And the other problem was getting Telegram to work. It wasn't communicating. And then I had to like whitelist something and then allow like IPs and then do all this stuff. And I just figured like if I just heard about this, I would never want to use it because it's so much work.
It's
Keep
it
it.
is.
Yeah, it's just like it's not even worth it, right? Because to get the good stuff out of it, I don't know if you tried it, Sharon, but and I heard a recent read a post recently, or I was watching a video or something, and um, someone was saying that Claude was for the rich people. It's like true. Claude Opus, Claude Opus is really good. you know?
Well, Devil Claw just told me about Mistral. Now I'm asking you, Ross, have you ever used Mistral with tool calling?
Yeah, it's
Smaller
terrible.
model?
It's
Is it
terrible.
terrible? Oh,
Terrible.
okay.
It's not always about tool calling, it's about context as well, right?
Yeah, of course. Those are the two. Well, those are the two main culprits,
Now,
right?
after today's update, after what we do, Sharon, we're gonna actually unlock all the machine models available in OpenClaw. Right now,
That's
it's
so cool.
not yet.
It's awesome.
But that's the other thing. So now you have to give it an API key. So now it needs an API key to actually run, and that API key, and this is where it gets interesting, and I had to really focus. I don't know if you know. You probably don't know. But it's okay. I mean, no one knows the link. But like let's say they did, right? Sharon, your link,
Mm-hmm.
you can literally get all the API keys from your instance without logging in.
You mean from my virtual machine? I
Correct.
locked it down though.
You
How?
can't.
You
Impossible.
can't?
No,
Okay.
because
So
inside of
firewall doesn't
OpenClaw,
work.
no,
And
none
what
of it.
else?
Because in
Okay.
OpenClaw,
Mm-hmm.
there's this thing called shell env, which has to be on. Like if you turn it off,
Okay.
it can't do things. Like it can't take an API key. Like you
Mhm.
can't be like, here's a firewall API key, do it, make a skill.
Mm-hmm.
In order for this to work, it has to store these keys somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yep.
OpenClaw isn't security first, those keys are actually in plain text.
Well, I have the same problem with Factory with the droids.
Same
The
exact
agents,
problem.
same exact problem with
It's literally the
droids
same exact
Factory,
thing.
right? I know exactly what you're saying. Yep.
So we had to figure out a way, like how Machine allows you to create secure containers, where you can actually, in plain text, save this stuff. And if
Okay.
you try to hit this URL,
Mm-hmm.
it just won't work if it's not you.
So, but why can't I block this with the firewall? What's the problem there? I have to put that wrapper around it first, right?
We changed something in OpenClaw. It's not about the firewall. So, like,
So,
imagine this, Sharon.
and
You're asking, can I take a firewall and protect something, right? It's like, yeah,
Mhm.
you can.
But
What
it's a
about
problem inside. It's the
yeah? What
inside.
about the flaw inside the
Yeah.
code? That's what we can.
So they did have a update not too long ago. Is it covered with that update?
No,
It's not.
it's covered against other things like agents pretending to be or humans pretending to be agents. That they're trying to
Mhm.
stop that. But this is a problem that you can't really solve it unless you turn that feature off.
Okay.
So
Yeah, let's see if I have it. If I have it on.
oh, everyone does.
Let me see. OpenClaw 26 2.2. Okay. Is
If
that
you
the update?
share your screen, show me
Let me
your
see.
OpenClaw config. I'll show you.
Okay. I was just looking for the update.
Don't
that
worry
they-
about the update. Go to your actual thing.
Okay.
Go to your OpenClaw instance.
So
Now you know what's really cool.
let me just log in first. I only have one API key. One. I don't have more because I just wanted to keep it secure.
I made a skill, Sharon, that allows it to push to Vercel. And I made it on the fly.
That's so cool. So one moment, I have to wait for my code to log in. Why is it not coming?
And by the way, when you do it with Machine, you won't ever have to do that. You click a button and you're in.
What do you mean?
Wait till you see how you set it up. It's crazy.
No, I have to log in a DigitalOcean. I'm waiting for my.
You won't have to do any of that. You'll see.
Oh yeah, because I'm moving from DigitalOcean to you. Now I get it. Now I get it. But I'm sorry, folks. I have to see what's happening here. Usually it comes right away. What the heck? Or is it oh, it's per email. I'm so sorry. I messed up. Most of my codes are on
You
my
got it?
phone. Wait a minute. Let me refresh. I'm just waiting for the code.
Look, I'm going to
It's there. I got it. Yeah, you can share yours.
I want you to see. So you see this area? You have this, and it's on.
I don't think so. We'll look. I don't think
You
so.
do.
I
Everyone
don't
does.
think so. I messed with it, so I don't think so.
Well, if you turn that off, then it won't be able to do certain things.
Well, then maybe it's on.
Share your
Um,
screen.
let me log in first. I'm trying to get this code. I got it. There we go. Code is there, and then I'll switch. Verify. And we are where? So this is the thing.
Now you got to go into it.
And wait a minute, because I had some.
How do you get to it?
Why? Oops. Here we are.
Okay, so now you got to turn on the dashboard. Or do you not use the dashboard?
You mean the web thing?
Yeah, the web.
Oh,
UI.
I've used it before, but then I need PowerShell, right?
Whoa. Okay, so wait till you see how this works.
Well, yeah, if I want to turn it on my and run it,
Like, how do you run the gateway right now?
but through my terminal.
So can you run it or you can't?
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me find. I can, yeah. I just got to find the link or the command. I have it somewhere here. Is it this? Is that the SS? Oh, let me see. I
It
think
should
it's that.
be OpenClaw space gateway.
And then enter. Um, what's the link?
Oh, so you're in for like a whole situation right now. You're about to get an upgrade.
Oh my gosh, am I? Ooh, I am so.
Difference. Like using it like this is annoying.
Yeah, this is how. Well, no, I'm controlling. Well, I just have to set it up through this, right? I don't have to keep
No,
going
Telegram
on.
is just a channel.
Yeah, but
I'm
this
talking
is.
about the control panel. I have a whole control panel, like an admin panel.
Well, you mean in the browser, right?
Yeah.
You mean, yeah, I know. I just have to get. Why should I use that for what?
Because it's so easy to change stuff.
Oh yeah, well yeah, to set things up, but then I use my phone, right? Yeah, that's true. You're right. But I have a chat in there, and I just tell the chat to do it.
Yeah, but see that
It's so
doesn't.
cool.
But the chat can't turn that on and off.
Well,
That's
we'll have
how.
a look. I just have to look for the. I don't know what the.
But it's okay. See, this is already taking too long. Go back to machine.
No, wait a minute. I'm just looking for the link so I can access it. It's already running. Here, you can see it here. Let me share my whole
You gotta
screen.
get to it.
Let me share my whole screen. You're being not trusting. You're not trusting.
No,
Okay, so
you got to get to it.
it's already running. I just don't know what's the. I forgot the URL.
Well, I don't know if you have it running through a URL or not.
I do. I just got to find the URL.
Type like 19 maybe.
Say it again.
Like 19. Like type in your browser. Maybe it'll come up.
Let me see. 19. Oh, okay. Let me do 19.
Like a number.
There it is. Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Darn it. I forgot. Oh, shit.
It's dead.
Okay.
So that's never going to work because that's 127. It's local. It's not going to work.
What do you mean it's not going to work? This is how I access it.
But it's local.
And what's
So, like,
the problem with that?
IPv4 was 143. That would be the one.
Well, that's the wrong. Are you? Oh, I see this.
What
How?
you're putting is 127. That's local. But it's okay.
Are you telling me that it's this?
In theory, yeah. But it's not working. But it doesn't matter.
No. Okay. So where do you want me to go? Back to.
Just go to machine. We're not even going to try to open yours because I didn't do it your way. Okay. So then go to where it says new worker.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And, okay. Hit
Instructions. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, when you get there, go all the way to the right.
Messaging.
Yeah, look how crazy this is. Zoom out so it doesn't look crazy.
Like that?
Yeah, and now look at like read. Look how cool this is.
Oh, damn.
Go back to it and go to messaging and just read so you know what's going on.
Okay, channels like Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp for your agent. Connect this agent to messaging platforms so you can chat with it on Telegram. Powered by your machine backend. Okay, cool.
Okay, so now you get to say, do I want 1 hour, 3 hours, or 5 hours? And remember, you can always wake it up. This is just for now. So you can do 1 hour just to test.
Okay. Yeah, well, I can always wake it up, as you said. Okay.
You can always wake it up, but this is a test. You're going to do a new one anyways after this. Because
Okay.
we'll see on the stream.
So now?
Click it. Now wait.
You got to wait, Elsa.
So Machine is creating OpenClaw right now for you. It's like doing the code in the back end, installing, updating, configuring, setting up, doing all the things you would have to do to get this to work. And if you remember, this was,
so now it's spinning up. What's happening now?
It's doing everything it needs to set up OpenClaw within Machine.
You just, okay.
One button.
It's called messaging channel.
Yeah, so inside of an agent, there's like a new channel called messaging. Now,
okay.
Check this out. Scroll down. Now, I see you would have to put your Machine API key. So we're going to do that later. You don't need it for now. Because during our alpha, you do not need a key. So for right now, no key needed. Now, scroll down. You see how there's a bunch of new buttons?
What, so this here?
Yeah, scroll up. Check. I'm going to show you something. Scroll. So you see where the green? Look at how cool this is. Click it. Look at that.
Okay, so this is my, okay.
Now, X out of it. We don't need it. First step is you're going to approve auto pairing. Now it's going to do that annoying thing. Remember how you had to pair devices? Now it does it for you automatically. So this is like your droplet, except it's like you're controlling everything about it when it comes to OpenClaw. So you see how there's the terminal, that's the terminal. And then there's like restart gateway, which is like I made a change to a skill, restart, auto approve pairing, and then refresh status and get new URL. And if you scroll down, there's a wake button.
So question now, but I'm not, so what LLMs am I using? Which ones?
So right now, you're using GLM, but in the future, you're going to be able to select. There'll be a selection.
So I'm not selecting through OpenClaw itself and setting my own API key?
No.
Okay.
You're using Machine.
Okay.
So now hit Open Gateway. It's white.
Open Gateway. I don't have to do anything else? Okay, I got that's the URL, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't do get fresh, but okay. Okay.
Now you see how it says
pairing? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
You see where it says pairing is required? So now go back to Machine. And you're going to say refresh status. Get fresh URL. And then you're going to pair it again. Because now it paired to it. You got to pair it twice.
What do you mean? Oh, I got to do auto. What do you mean? Oh, open.
Yeah. Hit auto pairing.
Okay.
And then wait a second. And then go to that URL that you were just on. And that URL will have updates in a second when you refresh. This is cool. It's the first time I've ever seen it in real life.
So show me again that button because I believe I turned it off. Show me the button.
Oh, it's in. I'll show you in a minute, but it's in config. You don't have settings yet, but you will.
Okay.
Hit the X out of this. You don't need to be. Yeah, it's working now. Look. See? Now it auto paired for you. So now you can click what I was showing you, and you can see it now if you want to see it. It's in config. And where are you? Environment.
Also question. What I also do your API keys show here on this page?
No.
Mine don't either. Okay.
Well, I have it turned off.
Yeah, but yeah. So my keys. Oh my gosh. Hey, how's it going? My keys are not in here.
Mine were, but then I turned it off.
Yeah, my keys aren't in here, so I turned it off too.
So
Okay.
now, if you go to chat at the top left, you can literally just follow that.
Say it again.
You can chat.
Okay.
Now we have to connect Telegram. So see?
Mm-hmm.
Now go back to machine.
Okay.
Now you go to Telegram, scroll up, and you gotta paste. Scroll down.
He's so crazy.
Scroll down. So you're gonna get a new bot token. So open your phone, go talk to the bot father, say new bot, and name a new bot.
Can I? How many can I have on Telegram?
A bazillion.
Okay, cool. Oh, did you call me, Timmy? Oh no, that was you, Ross.
But what do you think so far of the managed OpenClaw machine collab?
So it's easier, right? It's faster. I don't use the control panel. I did turn it off. I'm going to be honest. I turned it off. My
No,
keys
it's really
don't
good
show
for
there.
debugging.
Good for debugging. Okay, yeah, but I have the bot show me the logs. I can look at all the logs on the
Yeah,
terminal.
yeah, it's good.
I'm so used to code, Ross. I really don't care. I couldn't care less about a UI sometimes.
No,
It's
no,
so
it's not
fun.
about the UI. It's about like when you're doing custom skills, you get to see how they register and
Okay.
install packages
Okay.
through the backend. So like you have to install.
That's faster. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's faster.
Like,
That's
it's like,
true.
you could be like, here's 20 skills, install them, rather than like a one by one.
Yeah, that's true.
Because remember,
Yeah,
you got
makes
to start
sense.
the gateway every time.
I only have 2 skills for now, right? I don't have much. I don't
Well,
have
what's
much.
cool is you can actually make your own, and I'm going to show you.
Oh, I'm making my own. But you're probably gonna just make it. Can we not have machine just make them and then?
They are, yeah. You just tell it to make it; it'll make it. But first,
Do I
you
have
got to
to
get.
do I have to? Okay.
You need
So,
a token.
yeah. Wait a minute.
So you're going to get a token, and then you're going to message that bot, and he's going to give you letters and numbers, and you're going to put that here also.
Start. Can I do it in the same chat? Let's see.
No.
Start. Oh shit! I gotta do.
Oh yeah, you can. You can. You can. Just make sure that you first save the bot token. Step 1.
Create a new bot.
Yeah. You can do all these steps again after this live. I'm just showing how it works.
Oh, you want me to do that later? Okay.
And you know what's cool, Sharon? Each agent have its own OpenClaw instance. So you can have like 4 different OpenClaws.
Well, wait a minute. Yeah, but they all communicate with the main bot or
No,
what?
isolated. Fully isolated. So you can have like
Okay, I mean, yeah, okay.
different instances
I can
in
see that.
different agents.
I mean, I can see that.
Because at the end of the day, the agent will control the instance.
It's also, I think it's also a good security measure, right? To just kind of separate. I don't know if anything would ever happen on Telegram, but you know, nothing wrong with separating it. Well, you don't want me to do this now. Okay.
So, no, you can do it now.
Oh,
Just
okay. Okay.
get the
New
token.
bot. Okay. Yeah.
Name it whatever you want, and then get a token.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you message the bot, it should like tell you some config. The instructions right there do exactly what it says. Message him, new bot, get a key, paste it to yourself, and then put it here.
No, let's choose a username for your bot. I already did.
You gotta do 2. One's a name, one's a username. Just make sure it ends in bot.
Can it be the same? Yeah.
I think so. It just has to end in bot.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to go off screen for a moment so I can type in the, the token.
You can do it and always delete it.
I don't feel like it. How about
Okay. Sure.
that? I hate that. I don't like it at all. So let's go back. And the bot token, let's start.
So you're going to put the bot token.
I hope I don't mistype. I love mistyping.
And you're going to hit connect Telegram bot. And if any of this doesn't work, let me know. This is the first time we're testing it. So.
Oh, it blocks out anyways. You guys can't even see, but I can't see then either. What I'm typing.
Yeah, we blocked it out, so you're good.
Yeah, I'm seeing it right now. But I can't release the block, can I?
No, I could add that. Should I?
I'm just like, what do you call people like that? I'm kind of like, I don't know.
I could add a little eyeball.
Well, it's just that I am sometimes worried that I did it wrong. I just always like to look at it before I hit send. Maybe I'm just crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Oh my gosh, how long this number is. I hate it. I'm so sorry.
Wait, you just copy it to yourself?
Well, yeah, I could. Yeah, well, and then send it Obsidian and all of that. Okay. Okay, now I lost track. Oh my gosh.
Guys, I am seeing the chat. I don't know if this is your name, but if it is,
I can't even, darn it. I can't even.
I will reach out to you on X. Just send me a DM. I would say is the best thing. So I can't really reply to this comment. Yes, we're paying attention. If you want to do this too, just send me a DM.
No, I lost it completely. Can't even.
And this feature is available right now. So if you want to do this, you can. Just message TSI_org and we can help you out. Or comment your X name and I will reach out to you. It's actually really easy to do. It takes about 5 whole minutes and you are done. And you have a fully managed version
That's 0. Huh?
of this.
I'm almost done.
Well, hurry out. What are you waiting for?
I love it. I am in evening mode, my dear.
I do see.
I was about to. This is a long ass number. I was about to. I just hit click. Connect. Do I have to do something else?
No, it'll disappear, so you can share again. And then once you do it, text the bot. Just be like hi or whatever.
Gateway active. No, that's just the gateway. Telegram.
Share your screen.
Okay. 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 So I hit connect and nothing's happening.
And nothing's supposed to happen.
Okay. Okay.
Hold on.
No,
Okay. So now talk to the bot. Does it give you a code?
Talk to the bot.
Did you hit connect Telegram bot?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Yeah.
What does the bot say?
Let's see.
The bot should say like connect me or something like that.
The bot where?
Telegram. Click the Telegram.
Okay. We'll see. Where?
It's on your phone.
Yeah, okay. That's where I was.
The bot. So on your phone, message the bot. Say like /start or something.
There we go.
Take the numbers and put it here in machine. See the numbers?
The number I'm supposed to copy here.
You don't need to copy it, just like write it. It's like 10 digits. Just scroll down in this window and type it. So underneath Connect Telegram bot is the other thing.
Connect Telegram bot here.
Pairing.
Approve, and I have to enter that pairing code from Telegram. Okay. But that's not this long ass. Wait a minute. This is not.
There's two.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me.
When you message the bot, he gives you like a pairing code. But you gotta send the first message to your new bot.
Okay.
Did you get a code?
Wait a minute. There it is. Where the heck? I haven't gotten anything yet.
Did you message it?
Yeah. What happens automatically? It just does start right away.
And it didn't say anything?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna well, did you paste the key right?
Well, that's what I'm looking at now.
Because if you want, I can give you a new key.
No,
Like
it's yeah, it's all good. Where do I see public link? Where do I see the key? I can't even see it anymore.
It's in BotFather.
No, but it doesn't have it in. When I just started it, it showed the key. It showed key and then revoke or copy. That's what I was looking for. How am I supposed to see now? It's all good.
So when you first put in...
Let me just do it again. I'll just copy and paste this time.
Because I can make one and show you.
Well, then just make one.
Well, you do
My
one.
phone is being so janky, I can't even copy my darn... this is so stupid.
Your Telegram is being weird?
No, remember my copying has been weird forever. I can't just copy the number. It wants me to copy this.
I'm going to make one too. I'll test it as well. Machine underscore 5 underscore bot.
Come on, phone.
Yeah, my Android just copied it.
Okay. Now I finally got it. Okay, I got it.
It gave you a pairing code?
No, yeah, I copied the code finally after 5 minutes. So, one moment, I'll just grab it here from Obsidian. Dogs, I just have to feed these dogs.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying one too right now.
So I got it now. I'm just going to try it again.
Yeah, for me, I did it. Just pretty much worked. But if the gateway is down in any way...
No, I just reconnected. So let's just try it again.
So I put the bot token. I hit connect. I got to add UI so like it connects. Like it shows you connecting. Because right now it doesn't. So that's a UI fix tonight.
Do I have to refresh the bot or anything?
No.
Well, it is. I copied and pasted.
Yeah, just message. Just click it again to make sure. I'm gonna address that right now. That's why it's good to test.
Yeah. Let me try it again.
It's gonna work though, for sure. Okay.
Oh, something, huh? No, I thought something changed. Also, wait. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm connecting mine right now.
Okay.
Okay, so
I'm back.
Restart gateway.
Restart gateway. Okay.
You did it? Okay, good.
Oh, you can't see. Can you see my screen? No.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
You're good. And then when you do,
Mm-hmm.
check your Telegram.
Shall I send it again?
Sure.
The message. The message. Oops. There you go. Now it's working.
Yeah, it just needs to be reset.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just-
Now I have the
Now put the thing.
thingies. I got the thingies.
And then you gotta just approve it. This is like literally the easiest way to set this up, by the way. It's totally seamless. You don't even need to know what you're doing. You don't have to run any code. But the cool thing is you could. So then you can open the terminal after and you could like go crazy.
Only need that one number.
That's it.
Okay.
It's that crazy. This whole integration I worked for like 5 days on straight.
You worked 5 days on this? Crazy.
All right, now text it now. Text it on Telegram. And if it doesn't answer, give it a second. You're good. Just Telegram it.
I'm not getting an answer. Let's see.
Do it again.
Yep, there we go. On both, here on screen, here, and on the phone.
Yep. Now that's it. It's working. That's like literally the whole entire connection process. Now the entire system's available on your phone.
Perfect. Now I got, so, okay, and yeah, that's cool. And I can just use,
Now, if you go back to machine and click the green button, you can use it like you would DigitalOcean. I'll show you how to do that. Just pull it up and share that.
what do you want me to pull up?
The green button.
Let's go back to machine,
Mhm.
open machine terminal. Mhm.
But you got to share like your whole thing or no one will see it.
Mhm. You see it?
Yep. Now you can just write OpenClaw. And this can be done on any subscription. So, who was ever asking on the live stream?
Yeah, I was about to say, did you answer that question?
So now you're using like a real terminal, just like
Mhm.
Ocean. Now this
Okay,
of course.
but show us how you would integrate the skills.
Oh, you just tell it to make a skill. That's crazy.
Okay, here we go.
So now you can do anything you could do in
And
command
how
line, but I don't use command line.
I love command line. It's crazy.
No, I mean it's just easier to tell it to do things.
Say it again.
I just tell it to do things.
Yeah, I know. I do too. Yeah, I tell it. Isn't it fun? It's so fun.
You just give it an API key and just be like, make a skill with this. 2 seconds. You could literally give it the Comfy API and have it just creating for you.
So cool.
By text to creation.
Isn't that wild? Isn't that wild?
And the crazy thing is, you don't even have to put an API key. So you're like net plus right now, both on API costs and on the actual cost of the droplet.
But explain. So the reason why I'm not using my API is because I'm using your system, or what?
So it's using machine as the infra.
Okay.
So it's using your machine.
Everything is machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like you don't even have to do anything because it already has all of the, all the API keys it needs. It has. You're starting this from the machine.
And the question is now.
Well, first of all, I can't believe that actually worked first shot. This is the first time I've seen it with someone else. This is pretty seamless, so that's really cool.
This is really awesome. So the question is now. I'm just thinking now, okay, I'm just using machine infra, but I'm also, okay, that's all I'm using because
you're not paying anything. You didn't put an API key anywhere.
What are the, so I probably don't even know how to ask this question because the machine itself has capabilities, but I'm not using I'm just going to still build my skills normal. You know what I mean?
So you're getting to use the machine infra, but you're controlling the agent itself. You're building your own private agent.
My own private agent. Okay, that's what I wanted to know.
Not even the machine has access to your agent.
Okay.
The machine is just providing you a way to access your agent.
Okay, and where do I swap models?
It does not exist yet, but it will exist once in about 2 days.
That's awesome.
If you were to type OpenClaw models, you'll see right now you're using machine CLI.
Oh, let's look. That's cool. Oh my gosh, where did I now? I got lost.
You can type it right here.
I got lost in the sauce. Where's my terminal? Where did I?
And anyone who wants to do this, it's really easy. It takes literally 5 minutes, and you can have OpenClaw working safely and easily.
Okay, models. Okay, where?
Just Control minus. It's just it's a UI. I gotta add like scrolling. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
Now, if you can just refresh it, like X out of it, and then just open it again. And then just type OpenClaw space models.
Hello. There we go.
And every time you turn this on, you know what it does? The machine agent goes and updates the entire OpenClaw package for you and fixes any.
That's so sweet. That's super sweet.
It's actually the easiest way to use OpenClaw, I think.
Jimmy, trying to get my kid to walk the dog.
Yeah, so OpenClaw space models, and there's no errors that you can possibly even have. So if you do have an error, I would reach out to support and paste the error because there's no actual place for the error to happen unless you have a wrong key. We didn't actually paste an API key. You don't need it right now. It's linked directly to machine. And you should be able to write OpenClaw space models, and it will pull up the one model you can use. But You can
It's
expect
well, wait a
10
minute. It's not working. OpenClaw model then, or what? Because it's not working.
OpenClaw space models.
Well, yeah, but it's not working.
It works.
I already did it 3 times.
Did you put an S?
Yeah.
Show me.
Oh, you're not seeing it? Oh, that's
No.
that's not good. Um, one moment.
And just literally click the green button and then type OpenClaw
Yeah, I just had to do something.
models.
I had to ask. My dog is jumping around and making me freaking nervous right now.
Cassandra, this is a new feature that just released, so definitely hit up support right now with like images, and we should be able to help you because it does work. It worked twice. Look, it did it 2 times, 3 times.
Oh no, you were. You know what? You were saying something, and I just did it again because
So
you
funny.
said something. Were you talking to somebody else?
No,
I thought you were seeing my screen. I'm like, what the heck?
So you see where it says Machine CLI? That's showing you the model available, and soon you'll be able to select more models. We'll have every model.
So we just have this one now. Okay. I'm sorry, Timmy. Thank you.
But I think the coolest part is you don't have to worry about tokens. It's awesome.
Isn't he crazy? I'm so sorry. I'm dealing with 50,000 things right now.
No, you're good, but it definitely works. So feel free to use the terminal to do like anything you want to do that you want to. But you can just simply tell the thing to make a skill, and it will.
It's so funny. I really thought, because I'm like, what is he talking about? But you were probably talking to somebody else. I don't know.
But it did work, and you are activated. So feel free to use this version. It doesn't really have any scaling limits. Just make a new one so you can like get used to the whole process.
What do you mean make a new one? I'm not making a new one. Why? I mean, I can if you want me to.
I mean, did you put test in the name? Maybe you don't want it to be called test. I don't know.
No, I didn't put test in the name.
You're good. You can use it.
Yeah. Okay. So models. Okay. We're going to be, okay. That's cool. So at the moment we're using what? GLM?
GLM.
Okay. That's
cool.
And
it switches between GLM and Minimax M2.
And so have you tried, because you can also, I mean, either spin up numerous or you can't do sub agents. You can't. I can?
Yeah.
Okay. I never spun up the sub agent. How do you do it? When we use it, doesn't.
Just tell it.
Okay.
You can literally look. Go to it.
Because I would love to lengthen the context right through that.
No, like go to it.
How much does GLM have? Much.
We're doing some stuff. You'll have 1 million.
What are you with GLM?
Yeah, we're doing something.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay.
All right, but if you go back to the chat, just tell it, make me a sub agent right now for business advice. Do it. Watch. We engineered
Telegram. You mean in Telegram?
Yeah.
One moment.
But if you go to the website, we'll be able to see it too.
Oh yeah, okay, I can do it there, of course. Let me not be.
But you want to tell it, make a sub agent. You could do it on your phone, and we should still see it.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Make me a sub agent.
That does blank, and then we'll end right after you make your sub agent. So we've already.
Why does this? I hate.
We set it up to be a little smarter than an average installation, so it actually has a lot of capabilities that you just have to learn about.
I just love it. I can just talk to it. I love it so much.
That's it. It made a sub agent. So
just
now,
make sure it main self. I can still fetch the web and content on demand for you. So it can. Okay. So what is it?
It made a sub agent, so you can say execute that sub agent. But before you do, you're going to want to ask it, tell it make a skill for fire crawl. Here's the API key, and then it'll make a skill. But don't do it now because you're on stream. But when you're not on stream, give it the key, give it the doc, and say make a skill, and have the sub agent use that skill.
Just for now.
Yeah.
Because you said we don't have to use any API keys. That's all I'm saying.
No, well, that's an API key for like an outside thing. So anytime you
Oh,
want
okay.
a new skill, you can just give it like an API key. You can give it Exa. You can give it anything.
Okay.
SERP API, any of them. But
Okay.
yeah,
Cool. Awesome. No, this is cool. Yeah.
and yes, to be clear before we end, it will definitely use your data in machine, but it does not toast your data. So don't
What does
worry.
that mean? What does that mean? Toast your data.
Like if you go to look, your credits didn't change too much. Maybe like a few credits you lose. It's different. The calculations are different. It costs less because it's not.
Well, I mean, the thing is now the following. I am already paying $12 just for the machine itself. So there are no API calls in those $12. I'm just saying. So all the API calls are coming on top of that, right?
So here you're not having to put an API key at all. You don't do any of that. You can utilize what you already have.
That's what I was about to say. Yeah. I can use the model, the infra, and so.
So like, for example, in machine, you can use like Kimi. You'll be able to use Kimi here, like in the next few days. This was version 1. Testing it to make sure it worked. And it does. I'm actually surprised how seamless it actually was for you, Sharon, to get this program.
Yeah, and how about Gemini?
Everything in machine will be there.
Oh, all of them. We're going to be able to use all the models.
Every model. So yeah, thanks for coming, Sharon.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And expect the update in like 24 to 48 hours with new models.
Don't stress it. You've been working hard for 5 days.
No, this is the easy part now. The models is like the last part because I had to make sure the system worked.
Oh, wow. We got, wow. Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
I'm going to go eat.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.